So Asian Games 2018 or the 18th of Asian Games is very important for our nations because this is the first time of Asian Games since 1962 or 56 years ago. We are very overwhelmed by the trust given by the OCA to be the host and to show the world the capabilities of the Indonesians to host such a scale of multi-sports events. The other challenges that we are facing, of course, because this is the first time that OCA has been hosting in two cities, Jakarta and Palembang, with the distance pretty far away each other. So, of course, the communication and coordination becoming a challenge by itself. In the beginning, we were working more on the silo basis until days by days coming out, we're all integrated into one single plan. We are glad that the GL event is part of the vendors because they have been helping us a lot of coordinating among other departments to create a more better consistent master plans from each venues in terms of items that we needed. So far it looks great. I think from the installations of all the we call it the overlays of the products, as well as the branding itself. Everybody is appreciating what GL has done.